When you're sitting idle at home in front of TV and you feel like drinking something, then our obvious choice is to rush to the fridge, grab the bottle of cola. Fill it in glass, cover it with ice, and then sip it to glory. But hey, cola comes with a lot of health risks. It has caffeine, it increases anxiety and obesity, results in skin problems, and acts as a catalyst for blood and heart problems. I love cola, so what's the best substitute for cola? The answer is lime juice. Yes, the miniature lime can fill the boots of cola, as its juice is easy to make and carries a lot of health benefits. Lime rejuvenates skin, improves digestion, improves immune system, fights infection, helps with weight loss, lowers blood sugar, reduces heart disease, prevents cancer, and also reduces inflammation. Wow! With so many health benefits, let's see how the magical lime juice is prepared. The ingredients required for this magical drink is 200 ml of water, salt, lime, and freshly ground pepper powder. First, take a mason jar or glass jar, add squeezed lime to it, add a pinch of salt, a pinch of freshly grounded pepper powder, and then add water to the solution. And stir it. And so the magical drink lime juice is ready. To add more flavors, you can add cinnamon powder or freshly crushed mint leaves as well. During summer, you can add ice cubes to lime juice and slurp. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. To relish more informative videos like this, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get more updates. Tip of the day. To extend the shelf life of lemons, wash the lemons, take an airtight container like this, fill it with water, and then place the lemons inside them, just like this. You can store this either in the fridge or at room temperature. Try this to store lemons for long. That's it for today, and keep watching this space for more healthy and magical videos.